This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes covering dozens of creative and entrepreneurial skills. The premium membership gives you unlimited access to all of their classes. Lately, I've become really interested in graphic design, and I was really excited to learn that Skillshare has a really crazy range of graphic design courses. And the one that I wanted to share with you today is a class taught by Ellen Lupton and Jennifer Cole Phillips. Ellen is a curator at the Smithsonian Design Museum, and they both teach at the Maryland Institute College of Art. I really love this class because of how high the quality feels of each episode, and it feels like a really intense workshop that I'd have here in college. Because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, you can sign up with the link in the description box to get a 2-month free trial. You know, I'm actually graduating this year, and looking back, I've realized how often I've actually used Skillshare to help with my courses here in college. I really highly recommend it. Like, no lie, it's a really great place to find some professional classes. I recently moved into a new house here in my college town, and the room that I chose between my roommates is like the smallest room. It used to not be a room, it doesn't have a closet, it's tiny. So I thought it'd be nice to show you how I kind of settle in and like store all of my art supplies and how I go about just decorating the room, because I feel like this is kind of a new video, but I was excited to make it, so I want to share it with you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I'll see you towards the end. I hope you enjoyed watching how I transformed my room into a more livable space. I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but this is my last year at university, so I just really wanted to decorate it nicely. I feel like I've never done that before. I just wanted to show you my process in doing that in the time that I recorded this video, and now I've populated my room with a lot of plants. That's the only thing that's changed. Otherwise, I really like the layout of the room, so nothing else has really been adjusted. I'll be coming out with a new video super soon, and it will be a watercolor video, but kind of in a more fun way, and I'm really excited to upload that as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've had a great summer. Good luck to those going back in school, and I'll see you later. Bye!